Realme has also introduced the new Realme P3X in conjunction with the Realme P3. In this case, they bet on a slightly more traditional design, unlike its brother that glows in the dark. So it's curious, but they do not seem from the same family. In this case, it is available in blue, orange and grey colors. We will also find synthetic leather in the blue configuration and in the pink configuration that looks like orange or coral, and the Lunar Silver edition will be with plastic cover. But the most attractive thing about this device is that it also has IP69, i.e. it supports hot water jets and also supports being submerged. And I insist that this in the mid-range is very unpopular. So Realme somehow wants to set this new standard or attract more users with this. In addition, this device has a thickness of 794 millimeters and weighs no more 197 grams. In addition, supposedly the device also has a reinforced structure to absorb shocks well and withstand pressure and more, although all this would have to be put to the test. In fact, it also has armor shell glass developed by Realme, which is said to have a flagship level of resistance on the screen. The screen is not as advanced as its sibling, but it has 120 Hz as well, although in this case we are talking about an LCD panel with full HD resolution. The front camera is 8 megapixels and on the back it integrates two cameras. The main one is 50 megapixels with a sensor, made by Omnivision with f1.8 aperture without optical stabilization, and the second camera we could consider it just for marketing as it is supposed to capture depth and it is only 2 megapixels. The battery has a capacity of 6000 mAh and supports 45 watts charging via cable. This device also comes with Android 15 and Realme UI 6, but apparently it will not have as many artificial intelligence features as we see in its big brother. The processor is the MediaTek Dimensity 6400. With this, it becomes the first cell phone to incorporate this chip. We will also find 128 GB of storage, and in RAM configurations, two options, 6 or 8 GB. In this model, you can also place a micro SD card up to 2 TB, so you will definitely have very good space. The price of the most basic configuration announced for India is 13,999 rupees. That is more or $160. On the screen, you see the reference price in other currencies just to give you an idea, but remember that the prices here are not the same as over there.